Be ready. Start. The tribunal further relied on the observations of the special bench of the tribunal mentioned above and allowed the deduction. In this context, we will refer to the facts of the decision of the Madras High Court. In that case, the SSC claimed deduction of the expenses incurred on the wife of the senior partner of the SSC firm accompanying him on a foreign tour. Admittedly, the senior partner was a diabetic patient and the wife was taken for the purpose of attending on him. While considering the said claim, the Madras High Court observed that in order to qualify for allowance under section 37(1) of the Act, the whole of the expenditure must have been solely and exclusively incurred for business purposes, and that if there is a dual purpose, then it is obvious that the expenditure would not qualify for allowance, for it will cease to be wholly and exclusively laid out for business purposes. It further observed that in that case the partner of the SSC is a diabetic and requires to be looked after, and that the expenditure incurred is thus laid out in part for the advantage, benefit and well-being of the partner of the SSC, and it is distinct and different from the amount expended for purposes of business or trade. It was further observed that the attention given by the wife of the partner of the SSC while on tour would inure to his benefit and advantage not only when he was engaged in his business activities but even otherwise as a human being, so that at least in part the expenditure incurred had been laid out for the advantage and benefit of the partner. Accordingly, it was held that in the absence of materials with reference to the securing of advantages, it cannot be presumed that such advantages resulted to the SSC in its business activities as a result of the foreign tour undertaken by the wife of the partner of the SSC, which alone would justify the allowance of the expenditure as one appropriately falling under section 37(1) of the Act. For taking the said view, the Madras High Court relied on the decision of the Gujarat High Court in Bombay Minor Supply Company Private Limited versus CIT Supra Stop. That was also a case where the director of a company keeping in different health while undertaking the foreign tour was accompanied by his wife in the tour. The question arose was as to whether the expenditure incurred on foreign tour of the wife of the director is incurred for purposes of business. Full stop. Over.